Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So my family and I are into birding, and I love this Birds of Texas paperback 2007 edition. So let me show you what it has. Easy to read. It's nicely color-coded by species so that it's organized and easy to find. So for instance, if I see, let's say a killdeer. We have a lot of killdeer around here. I can look at the page number 148. I turn right there, and it gives me all the facts I need to know about killdeer. The illustrations are great. It gives male and female depictions, which you know that's always a bonus because they don't always look alike. There's a map under each bird. It tells you where they can be found, migration, and breeding. This book is easy to carry and sturdy, and I love that it has a quick reference guide on the back. So if I see an animal, a bird, I can quickly turn to the page needed. So when you're ready to explore some more and you look at the birds that are even in your own backyard in Texas, look no further. That's my point of view.